Hello YouTube, this is Vacuum Man 8 today, and today we're just going to do this, well, the after clean video and demo of the, yeah, that's from that one, from this US Skin 862. Basically this is it has a outer body of a US machine with the internal with an internal motor conversion. So it is a Hoover model 843 Constellation, and it is
110 volts.
It should be 110 volts, but it's been converted to the 240.
No, Dad, I don't know what to do. Let's just get a new SA one.
No, it's exactly the same, mate. So this one was originally built in North Canton, Ohio.
Oh.
It doesn't have the.
I want one. It says they didn't test it.
Oh, didn't they?
USA. No, I want.
So
one.
this one has a tool caddy on the back.
I want one that says not being tested. It's twisted.
All right, put it back on then.
How twist that one?
Yeah, no, that's the way they are.
No, they're not.
Oh, is it?
No, it's not.
Oh, is it? Alright. Well, I've just realised that the tool I had on there was facing the wrong way. I was pointing out. So we've just corrected this now. So this is a set of tools that we've got actually for this machine now.
And some people's got the white tools and some people's got...
So this part here is the correct pole, because if Cole demonstrates the pole it should have of it.
And there's stuff for a non-Hoover.
The American machines, like the celebrities, have these. They have the pole that comes out like that. Well, the later celebrities,
I got a Hoover. What I did,
which was the deluxes, and the customs of the two standard poles. So this has a sliding pole, which I think.
Oh, what?
Really?
What this part is?
I don't know. So I've actually hacked up a Hoover Junior pole, I think, or pose, and fitted the end on there, like I showed you in the last video.
It's a double stretch one.
Yeah, it's a double stretch, genuine. It is a genuine one. See, these two sets, junior tool sets, got handy.
This round thing goes up.
So yeah, so it is like on with you can see how shiny it is. Look, problem is if I'd gone too far into the paintwork, I may have took too much paint off. So I've gone as far as I can.
It's a Constellation USA, and it's got that shit on the side like that. It's got like a Henry handle.
Has it?
Yeah, I've got one like that.
So it has got a neat little tool caddy on the back.
What's called? It's like a like one you have to rent out. It's like a shop display one.
Right. So this is actually considering
like a shop's made model.
Yeah. How disgusting it was when I first had it, or when we first got it. This one was only £20, believe it or not. But we had a lot of the parts to refurbish it at home already. So it has. I've actually washed this one.
It's like the Hoover site tape.
So that we've got a disposable made in Britain bag.
No, it's not disposable. You can use it.
Yeah.
You can use it.
So we have got a test bag.
Why is it disposable?
It was throw away because they're throw away bags. Because the non-disposable bags are the cloth bags, aren't they? The ones they used to have in the older machines. It was a big thing, really, wasn't it? So this one would be dated around 1968. Not too sure exactly when it was. It does work a lot better now. So we're just going to.
No, I want to show you what it used to like.
Yeah, it didn't float very well at all.
Like that.
The switch is still quite sticky, but it works. So what we'll do now, we'll actually get some Hoover food, because we've got
what happens if it comes out the bag?
That won't. We'll get some Hoover food now.
When you put the bag in white, it goes.
Oh yeah. And as you can see now with this one there, I've scrubbed this one up, so it's come up quite nice.
Not the Hoover pieces.
Yeah, we get that. So it's come up really nice, this head. There are a few...
It's got some hairs in it.
That's alright.
Deals with hairs.
So there are a few bristles missing, but you know, maybe I could get another tool to actually make a nice one out of. So who knows?
I'll take my shoes off.
It is nice and shiny on the bottom. So quick piece how this one turned out. It was a bit of a stake when we had it, but it was only £20 and about a couple of pound of fuel really, wasn't it? So it wasn't. So it was only about 20 miles or so away from the house, so it wasn't too bad. An amazing find really, considering this one comes from the USA. Like you say, I've never even seen one like this in person. So we'll just get some Hoover food set up, ready for the demo. Let's have a go. We've got some pre-processed Hoover food here.
We've got dirt here.
And we've got all sorts of stuff. So we've got to do this before the robot comes out. So we'll, you did see it float on the last video, so we know it all floats quite well. It's sounding really nice now, with about 2 filter in it. It is floating really well. Just going to do a good old clean with this. But it is quite a nice part of the collection really, because Cole has got quite a lot of constellations. All different colours and models, and we've seen it has done a good job on this really. So it's floating really well, look, as you can see there, it's pushing it back. Really look at that, look, floating really well. Oh yeah. So yeah, this one would have had a shag carpet setting on this one, should it? That's obviously been rubbed off over the years.
Bushel head.
Yeah.
That's a bushel head. The bushel's still down from hard too.
Yeah, the American machines have the shag setting on the Constellations, while the UK one hasn't. But I can't see the difference.
Try this! Go out here. That's a bushel head.
So yeah, it's
the bushel head. The version.
So it's running really nice, this one.
It's like the vintage inversion ever. The larger bushel. See? The sound shows it is like the bushel head. And you've got a little carpet. Well, so you can put the tint on there. And I can see.
Okay, there's some bits here, look. So it is reactivated the pole when I looked at it from my angle. Can't see it too much on the video. Right, give it a bit of a yank around the room to see it floating.
No, what's that?
Alright. Alright. they've got quite a lot of fine dust on
Hoover
that.
Constellation there. That's the most expensive.
Yeah. I do believe those telescopic poles, they should have had them in the UK. So they're far better.
Well, the Hoover Constellation, one of them in the UK.
Yeah. Yeah, they were far better. They're far better, those poles. It's a shame all the other ones are smashed to bits. I mean, like I say, I literally had to chuck all the poles and that away, didn't I? The original, when we first had it, because it was just all gone, unrepairable.
Dyson went on.
Yeah, so that's what's it on. So it is floating on its own cushion of air. And the only disadvantage with it, that sort of style, if you've got a lot of fluff and that in your carpet, it just blows the dust up out of the way, doesn't it?
It's grand.
So what you say now, we'll think we're done with it now. Right, let's back over there with it then.
Tie baiting. The back and tie baiting. The back and tie baiting. Make the edge and then pull the hose.
Yeah. So,
Like something, it's like it's talking or moving.
yeah, we'll pull that one off. We'll do that one out of the way then.
Okay.
So it doesn't float so well when it's... So it's got lots of stuff in. So
I'm just going to do this.
alright. So what do you say now, Kyle?
Silk's partial.
I'll turn it off now.
Partial.
Yeah. It floats better with a tube in, mate. It floats better with a tube in. So
That's better with the tube
it goes, doesn't it? So it's floating away. Very pleased with it. And thank you very much for watching, and thank you from Vacuum Addict for watching the video. Bye for now.